In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a PDF into Notion quickly and easily. Whether you're a long-time user or just getting started, knowing how to bring PDFs into your Notion workspace can be a game changer. By integrating your documents, you can streamline your workflow and keep everything neatly organized in one digital space. First things first. Head over to the Notion website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you haven't created an account yet, don't worry. Notion has streamlined the process, so it's really straightforward. You can even choose to sign up using Google, which is a convenient option to skip setting up a separate password. Once you're logged into your Notion workspace, you'll want to navigate to the specific page where you'd like to add your PDF. This could be a page dedicated to a project you're working on, a section in your digital planner, or anywhere else you feel the document belongs. Once you're on the right page, look for the three-dot menu. It's located at either the top right corner or the bottom of the page. Clicking here will reveal additional options you can use. In this menu, you'll see an import option. Click on that. Next up, you'll be looking to upload directly from your computer. Here's where you can browse through your files, locate the PDF that you want to import, and select it. Then, it's just a matter of letting Notion take care of the rest. Depending on the size of your PDF, this process might take a few seconds, but rest assured, it's usually pretty quick. After the upload completes, your PDF will be embedded directly into your Notion page. You'll see it displayed neatly, ready for you to interact with. Notion does a fantastic job of integrating the document, so you can view it right on the page without needing to open it in another app. You can move it around just like any other block, allowing you the flexibility to position it exactly where it makes the most sense for you. Plus, if you're working on notes or documentation, having the PDF there can be incredibly helpful, providing context or reference alongside your observations and tasks. And just like that, you've efficiently centralized your important documents, making your Notion workspace even more powerful. By importing PDFs, you're not just adding documents, you're enhancing your entire organizational system, paving the way for a more streamlined workflow. I hope you found this guide helpful. Importing PDFs into Notion is truly a simple process, but immensely beneficial for organizing your digital life. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!